Hey guys, so I'm just going to share my screen with a chart. Well, I don't know if I'm even sharing the screen now. Oh, there we go. Okay, I clicked the right button. So here we are at the 2 o'clock now, just gone past 2 o'clock, Southeast Asia. And the European market is open. That will be France, Switzerland, Luxembourg, all of the European countries. And then London will open in about 53 minutes. So I'm just doing this to try and get my system set up for my regular Asian trading session. I'm just testing out this third-party streaming software to see if this might work for everybody and give me a better connection, better bandwidth, etc., etc. We'll see how it goes. So I'll need to switch over to YouTube and see if I am live on YouTube. Go to YouTube and go to my channel. So bear with me if you're watching this. Yeah, okay. Cool. Cool. Yeah, you're getting a lot of background noise from the coffee shop where I am. But we'll just looking at the chart and see what gold is going to do. It looks like it's bouncing off of the trend line. So I think you can still hear me. I've turned off my own sound. Yeah, you still hear me. So I'm not listening to myself. And what you have is resistance there at 41.56. And just bounced up and touched that. Looks like it might continue down. And by our community standards. So basically, can you hear me okay? Looks pretty clear. I wonder if I can get that on the you on the iPad at the same time. Let me try that. I'm just testing this, guys. So this is not really a formal analysis of the charts. I'm not doing any trading. I'm just trying to get this, third-party streaming software set up. Now I'm going to see if I can see it on my iPad. Okay. Now I got it. Okay. So cool. That was somebody coughing in the coffee shop. Unbelievable. Wow, it was loud. So I am able to watch it simultaneously on my iPad. If there's anybody watching this, guys, this is not actual live trading or the analysis that I would normally do. I'm just trying to see if I can get my streaming software set up. My regular live trading is 8 a.m. Indochina time. When I live trade with gold and I take a trade, if I get a trade set up, then you're welcome to join that. But I've been using the YouTube software. Now I'm looking at using some third-party software. So I just want to be sure I've got that set up for my session tomorrow. There's a couple of people watching. If you are watching, just hey Howard, I see you down there. This is not my regular. This is nothing regular about this. I'm just trying to see if I can get some streaming software set up for my regular 8 a.m. Asian Pacific live trading sessions. I'm really frustrated with the connection problems I've been having. I've been doing it directly on YouTube, but I'm looking if I can get some streaming software that it might give me better connection. Anyway, I'm just playing around with it, trying to see if I can get the software set up. So thanks for being here. Anyway, you saw me go live. So now I can do this on my laptop. It's working on the iPad. There's no conflict. If I do that on YouTube, I get a conflict. It won't let me do two devices from the YouTube on the laptop. I'm going to try to do it on the iPad. It won't let me do that. But here with the streaming software, it will. I'm just wondering that you also get the EV Mux logo up in the corner, and that's because I'm using the free version. I just wonder if that's going to be to people. Yeah, it kind of goes off the screen and comes back. There we go. It stays up there for a few seconds. If I get the paid version, then they'll take off the logo. But on the free version, you got to show the logo. And the software, EV Mux. Seems to be good software. Hey Ray, listen, this is not any analysis. This is no trading going on here. I'm just trying to get my third-party software set up. Yeah, I'm going to open soon, about 41 minutes from now. I'm not going to be doing any trading though. I'm just trying to get my third-party streaming software set up with my laptop. I'm sitting here in the coffee shop having a espresso frappe. It's really good. Hey, yeah, that was a good trade this morning. Hey, really good trade this morning. Excellent trade this morning. It did go up to my take profit. I think it was 43.80. It didn't go all the way up there, and now it's coming back down. It's broken back below the support, which it was resistance. It broke well above resistance, and then came back down, touched support, which was resistance, and then went back up again, and now it's been sinking pretty hard since about 12:30, or about 2 hours ago. So we might see some more downward movement. Just have to wait till London opens and see what their market sentiment is going to be. Oh, excellent, excellent. Raj, that is fantastic. Great, congratulations. Yeah, closing just a little bit early is okay. You don't want to close too early, like you see $2 or $3, and then you close let it run. That's good. That takes discipline to let it run. Great. So happy you guys are making progress. Yeah, okay, trailing and it comes back. That's I don't trail it generally. I will after it's moved enough, I will move my stop loss above break even, and sometimes it will come back and hit that. I put it just above break even to get a few bucks, and sometimes it will come back and hit that. But trailing, yeah, that's good if you can move it up gradually. Yeah. So I don't know what strategy you guys are using. If you're using a similar trend line strategy that I've been showing this week, let me know because I've been using this for one entire year. This year it's the only strategy I use now, and it just, as you saw, I was so happy this morning. It just love it. It works. It just works. Uh, Time and time again, day in and day out. It's amazing. And I've thrown everything else out the window. I've used so many different strategies. This just works. It's simple, easy to understand. Okay, that's good, Raj. Cool. Okay, excellent. Slightly different, but similar. That's really cool. You make small adjustments or use something slightly different. That's good to hear. So I've been going here nonstop for 25 minutes and haven't dropped connection yet. So this streaming software seems to be working pretty well. I think I'll maybe get the paid version this afternoon, and then I'll be using this tomorrow. You preempted the launch. You mean you got in a little bit earlier than I did? Is that what you mean? Before it broke the trend line? Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, well, we know gold is bullish on the day chart, bullish on the 4 hour chart, so the bias is definitely bullish. You can see some compression and some manipulation. Cool. I could have taken it on the previous candle, but it pulled back, so my strategy is to wait till it breaks. But yours obviously worked. Now I'm looking at this on my iPad and I'm frozen up on the iPad. So maybe this is not going to work on two devices. Let me refresh this screen. There's four of us watching. I don't know. Trying to focus on getting this software up and running good. The laptop seems to be, this is what I'm doing this software on my laptop. The Apple seems to be maintaining good connection, steady streaming. Haven't had a breakdown yet, and it's been 25 minutes nonstop. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm pretty happy with this so far. And just one last question before I bail out here. Is the sound okay? I'm listening on my earphones, and the sound is a little bit scratchy. It's not that clear. Seems like you guys are getting the sound okay. Yeah, that I understand because I'm in the coffee shop and it's actually an office tower, and there's some what we call elevator music in the background. Okay, so but tomorrow when I do it in the morning with the Asian session, I'm always at home and it's just dead quiet. So that should sound should improve a lot. Let's see, what am I seeing here? The big red candle that bounced off the 4 EMA. A break above that, I'm looking as an entry. Okay. You want to put the EMA on your chart? Yeah. Well, there's people sitting over there next to me talking, so thanks, Raj. I appreciate the comment. Sometimes, sometimes I have I use the 8 EMA. That's what you see. Let's see, is that showing in the chart? Yeah, the yellow line, that's my 8, 7, 8 EMA. Most of my charts actually. And now the 8 EMA is resistance, and it looks like what it's been going down. We had the big red candle pulled away from the 8 EMA. And then when you get a big candle like that, you usually go sideways, maybe come back up and touch the EMA, which is resistance, dynamic moving average resistance. And now that it's come back up and nearly touched that, it's starting to go down again. I'm going to send this also over to my friend. I don't expect it will do much before London opens. That's another 30 minutes. Yeah, it seems to all still be good here. It's just that my iPad is freezing up. Wonder why that is. And I have to refresh that. No, it's still frozen. Never mind. I don't need the iPad. I was just curious if it would work on two devices. So I'll just get rid of this. An ABC pullback. Okay. What do we got going there now? Not doing much. No. Have to wait and see till London opens. And sometimes even when London opens, it doesn't do much. So we'll just see what happens. Sometimes they make a good move, big move, but sometimes they don't. I can't remember. I don't think we have any news today. Let me jump over and check forexfactory.com. Right? Oh, no. All the New Zealand news is done. Boy, New Zealand dollar kept going up. Wow. We had some great news this morning. At 7:30 p.m. in Indochina, we have the GBP. That's the British pound. Some kind of autumn forecast statement. 8:30 p.m. Oh, the unemployment claims. Yeah, that's always on. Well, it's usually on Thursday. Today's Wednesday, so that will be in the U.S. session just before Wall Street opens. The unemployment claims. That's not going to be a big deal. And all of that data is. Who knows if it's accurate? They haven't been reporting data for a couple of months, So don't really pay attention to the news. Just follow our strategy. Go with that. Okay. Go back there. So more than 30 minutes, and we're still looking good with the connection. Great. And did anybody say anything? Can't see the screen or lost connection. This is wonderful. This is really what I'm looking for. I'm going to get the paid version later today, and this is what I'll use tomorrow in the live session. I pulled a few all-nighters last week to watch a couple funny. Not much happened. Yeah, sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. It usually does while I'm sleeping, but not last week. Too much indecision in the market. Yeah, the market's very, very, a lot of uncertainty in the market right now, Howard. Uh, Nobody knows what's going to be going on. You look at the fear and greed index, it's right now the market sentiment is extreme fear. Extreme fear. Just Google that. Fear and greed index. Have a look. Extreme fear. So they don't know what, it's, I don't know. It is what it is. We use it for strategy and we make profit. That's all. But I agree with you. I don't stay up for the New York session. Well, it's Wall Street because that's still reasonably early. Yeah, the VIX. Uh, I do Wall Street, but when like the non-farm pay, no, the FOMC, that's like 2 a.m. in Thailand. So I don't stay up for that. But I do catch Wall Street opening. But by then, it's already, I've watched the Asian session, I've watched the London session. I just really don't have any more power to watch the New York session. And I make my profit in the Asian session. I'm happy with that. I never trade in the U.S. market anyway, but I watch it because a lot of my clients in many different countries, they're trading on the U.S. market. And I get a lot of messages on Telegram and Facebook and Messenger during that time. So I have to do a lot of chatting during the U.S. session. But I don't trade. I don't trade the U.S. session. I do my trading 2 hours every day. I'm done. 1:30 a.m. for you, Howard. Oh, you mean now it is 1:30 a.m. Yeah, that's correct. Right now it is. Yeah. Okay. What are we getting here? Getting getting a green candle. Going up there and touch resistance. 41.56. Also touching the 8 EMA. And we'll see. It's been there. It's been in this zone here for 1, 2, 3, 4. It's been in this zone here for 45 minutes. Not doing anything. Okay. Let me go here. Oh, is Kaki here? I haven't seen her chat. Always on. Where is she? Oh, there she is. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Hey guys, I appreciate it. Even though this is not an analysis, not live trading. I think there's people that come in and watch the recording. I get a lot of views on this, but not a lot of people join this live. But that will pick up. I just got started this week, so it will pick up as word gets around. I've had a lot of people ask for this, so I know I've had a lot of people ask for this, so I know it will be successful, and more people will start joining. During the session, we had a really good one Monday, and quite a few people jumped in on there and started chatting. Yeah, yeah, sure. Hey, Sharad, how's it going? I just had my buddy join me here in the coffee shop. He's from Nepal, from Kathmandu. He's over here in Thailand for a holiday, and he's joining me in the coffee shop. Oh, it looks like we're going to break above resistance there, and that is the 230 candle on the 15-minute chart. Yeah, Raj, I'll remind people. Don't worry, I'll start posting more on Facebook and remind them to turn on everything. Yeah. Oh, you already heard it. I started. Oh, you'll miss tomorrow. Oh, okay. Volunteer to charity shop. Well done. Great. Okay. You'll be missed. Howard, you will be missed. You're one of our three stooges. Who's here? Oh. So, guys, I'm going to sign off for now. It's been a good 45 minutes. We haven't had any breakdown in connection. I was just testing out this live third-party live streaming software, and I think I'll be using this tomorrow in our Asian session. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off. And thanks for being here. I appreciate it. And I'll see some of you tomorrow, except for Howard. You won't be joining tomorrow. Okay, guys, take care. Enjoy your trading today if you're trading London or US. And I'll chat with you tomorrow.